third-year students from Bachelor of Elementary Education studying at Polytechnic University of the Philippines. And now we present you our instructional material called Wheel of Phonics. It is all about learning phonics, an essential component in early literacy and language development.
This material has been carefully designed to support educators like you in building strong foundational reading skills among your learners. We use wood, paint, bullets, and laminated flashcards that contain rhymes, onsets, vowels, and consonants.
Phonics plays a critical role, helping students to understand the relationship between the letters and the sounds. And it empowers them to decode words with accuracy and confidence. With this in mind, our group has developed a structured and practical guide data specifically for classroom application.
Throughout these materials, you will find clear explanations, engaging activities, and evidence-based strategies that align in best practices in literacy instructions. Our main goal is to make phonics teaching more effective, more accessible, and more impactful to the both of you and your students. We trust that this resource will be a valuable addition to your teaching toolkit, and we hope it contributes meaningfully to the success of your literacy programs.
Thank you for committing to our dedication and for joining us to strengthening the foundation of our learning, one sound at a time.
Wooden stand serves as the main support structure for the Wheel of Phonics. Support hinge prevent the lid from accidentally closing during the activity. Roulette wheels contains the consonant and rhyme cards essential to the instructional material. Standis marker used to represent each group's current position on the board. Board game, the surface where the gameplay takes place. Whiteboard marker, used to write down the words formed by the pupils during the game. Dice, determines which group will spin the roulette first. Onset and rhyme cards, cards placed on the roulette wheels that contains onset and rhymes. Pupils must use these to form words as a part of the game. Velcro, used to attach the consonant and rhymes securely to the roulette wheel. The mechanics on using the instructional material. The students will be divided into two groups. Group 1 will be the blue team, and the group 2 will be the yellow team. The teacher will roll the dice to decide which team goes first in spinning the wheel. The first team will spin the yellow wheel to choose the onset, then spin the red wheel to select the rhymes. After the letters are chosen, the teacher will read aloud the letters and ask students to identify the sound of each letter.
About this? If we combine this, ano ang makubuo natin?
The student will write the letters they have formed on the line below the wheel. The longer the word they create, the more steps they can take, up to 3 steps per round. The teacher will then ask the other group members if they want to add anything to the word form. Once the word is complete, the teacher will read it aloud to the students. Either the students or the teacher will write the word in the text box to avoid repetition. The students will then add the points or steps they have earned. The total number of steps will be the total number of steps they move forward.
1 step, 2 steps, 2. Tapos nakuha tayo na, take 1 step forward, so another.
The game will continue with another round, alternating between teams.
Pronounce na letter D. Paano naman? Ito. Ibang salita?
Dagdagan mo to ng letter S para maging wheels.
Good, letter.
Yes.
Sabay-sabay.
Beans.
Beans. Yan. So, ilang steps niyan? 1, 2,
Hula.
Ito naman. Go. Paano naman ito pag pinagtama natin ito?
Kasulat mo na.
Tapakan natin. Letter. Yan. Yan naman. So, paano naman ito pag pinukumpay natin ito? Yan. Sabay-sabay natin sabihin. Band. Band. Sino sulat mo? Ayan. So, ilang steps yan? Meron tayo 2 steps. Okay?
Go lang.
2. Very good.